my name's Anthony with the EUREKA McConnell Science Museum, and today we're going to show you how to do fun science experiments in the comfort of your own home. Check it out. Science! Oh boy. And what we're going to need today for our experiment is going to be a couple of cups of dish soap, a few cups of hydrogen peroxide, a cup of warm water, some yeast, and a couple of different vials and water bottles to experiment with. On top of that, we can add some food coloring for some extra fun. And of course, we never want to forget measuring cups. Now, for safety's sake, we want to make sure that we do have some safety goggles on or some sunglasses to make sure that you're staying safe. Let's begin! Now, the main key term I want you to remember today is an exothermic reaction. Exo is going to be on the outside of something, and thermic means generating heat. The first mixture is going to consist firstly of half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Oh yeah. Now you might spill when you're doing this, so you want to make sure you're pouring it over something that can catch all the extra liquid. Alright, so we have half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, and next we're going to have 2 tablespoons of dish soap. 1. 2. Oh yes. Alright, and our final ingredient is the food coloring of your choice. Are you feeling red? You feeling purple? You feeling green? And we're going to try red. Oh yeah. We want to make sure it's all mixed together, but we do not want to shake it. Stirred, not shaken. So next we're going to set that concoction aside for now, and next we're going to need our hot water. So we're going to use about a half a cup of hot water and 2 tablespoons of our big pal yeast, the catalyst for today. Cool. Alright, so now we have a cup of warm water with some yeast in it, and then we have our concoction of dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, and the food coloring of your choice. Now, this is the part we're going to need our goggles, and this is the part where we're going to need a clean space in order to get this rolling. Bums away! Ooh. That's pretty neat. All right. Oh, groovy. Oh, yes. Can we get a picture of that?
Are you ready?
Awesome, friends. We hope you had a great time hanging out with us today at the Science Museum. If you have any questions about any of our experiments, come on by and ask us, or you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't be afraid to ask questions and do an experiment of your own. Bye. And today we're going to show you how to do fun science. A cup of warm water, a bucket of yeast, not a bucket of yeast, that's a lot.